the right doctor and have told him or her about your pain. Don't be afraid to take what you're given. Often, patients may be afraid of taking the drugs because they're perceived as too strong. It's far from natural therapy. Less than 1% of patients taking opioids actually become addicted.
They're phatic, my mathematics, you can't add them. So tragic, my baggage comes with no backup. Breaking patterns like splitting atoms, it ain't happening. Cycle spins, psychosis wins, the world spins. On my motherfucking dick like a whirlwind. Devilish sins, devilish grins. Got motherfuckers like, here we go again. This motherfucker scrum, can never stop for not. Too toxic. Send his ass off to the doctor. Between the zany and some boxes. Lost cause, lost hope here. Throw away, way too deep in this hole where he lay me down to sleep. Northside shorty, my curve on creep. Northside shorty don't pray where he eat. But hey, soon we'll see. A soldier by the lake, buried 6 feet deep. Less stress on me, more profit for a D. Middle finger poking out for everyone to come to see.
Like my soul is rubbing against the grain, lost in the same sauce. I'll be to blame, but the wear down the chains cost more than a care to explain. Yeah. Lately I've been feeling out of character. Bitch left cause I'm embarrassed up. But every day I be like 1,000 fucking miles away. Blowing dope out of myself, I'm the boss of the gray. Hey. Bored in the plane, what the fuck is a holiday? Dreaming through the day, what word you say your my mistake? Reading the text, screenshots and mentions, wish still had way messages. I'm stressed, live a life in the day. This a day in the life. I'm still the fucking same, covered as spots, not stripes. For work the fucking pay, this the great 5-9. Super out the life, work until I fucking die.
Y'all know what it is. Lamborghini high, they move by the crib. This is how it is. Yeah, these niggas fake. No, we can't relate. Lamborghini high, they move by the crib. This is how it is. This is how we live. Bitches. Lamborghini high, they move by the crib. This is how it is. Yeah, these niggas fake. No, we can't relate. Lamborghini high, they move by the crib. This is how it is. This is how we live. Yeah, I'm getting cake, yeah, it's no debate. Yeah, I fornicate with foreign hoes that I date like every day. Ay, yeah, I rock the rap, yeah, I bought the Wraith. Yeah, I'm out of state, yeah, I like the race. Yeah, I wake up late, yeah, I'm out of shape. Yeah, I'm eating crepes, yeah, I'm sipping wine. Yeah, she feed me grapes, ay, she make no mistakes, me make no complaints. I love how she thinks she graduated with that brain. She go to Lamborghini high, they move by the crib. This is how it is. Yeah, these niggas fake. No, we can't relate. Lamborghini high, they move by the crib. This is how it is. This is how we live. Bitches. Lamborghini high, they move by the crib. This is how it is. Yeah, these niggas fake. No, we can't relate. Lamborghini high, they move by the crib. This is how it is. This is how we live.
Two on my waist, chains on my face, money in the bank, make no mistake, Nas does it great. Hoes wanna fuck
money necklaces, 14 karat bracelet, double dabble with the lean, high tag with the cream, soda as I whip the YOLO, Lambo red Coca-Cola, my bros coaster nose, the riding on a speedboat, you sucking, licking deep throat, Ray Mysterio, when I'm jumping off the top rope, banana clip with the scope, wearing all white like I'm the motherfucking boat.
I'm on the Lamborghini high, fly through the sky, hell. Yeah, me vision got us rich, catch a nigga flying by the Lambo. Tipping the Henny got me gone, now I'm getting in my zone, hell. RP to my nigga, the gallon going to my nose, hell. This how I feel to be rich, fucking bitches in the mix, eh. Where the Dickitas is at, Lamborghini with the shits, eh. Little Newport lit, young love with the shits, eh. I ain't with the game, bitch, she blowin' my cartridge, eh. My juice glisten while I'm always chilly, can't believe a nigga made a couple milli. Bout to cut the house way up in the hilly with a bad bitch in the Bentley. Wood grain with the roof gone, make a bitch fold like a futon. Getting bread like a crouton, tell me what the fuck is you want?
Lamborghini high.